This is 1997 Rockstar YT. On the request of my subscribers, I am here to do a video on Omelette Arcade live streaming. How to do live streaming through Omelette Arcade. Let's go into the video directly. Chalo. This is Omelette Arcade. When you download it, it pop-ups like this when you open the app. If you have an account, click have an account. If you want to create a new account, no problem, you can create it. I have an account, so I am clicking have an account. It pop-ups like login with your email ID and password. Yeah, I will log in the email and password and I will show you the next content. After you log in your email, in Omelette Arcade will pop up like this. I will explain the main things what you want to know about the Omelette Arcade. Click the plus symbol in the bottom. Click go live. It shows what are the required things. Read those and you can understand how you can record your screen. Okay, this is the option. The first one option is that where you can stream on Omelette Arcade. The third option is the login with YouTube. You need to log in with your YouTube so that you can stream on YouTube platform. Let's go. Click on that and do the required things what you need to do. After you have logged your YouTube account into the Omelette Arcade, it pop-ups like this. See, my channel is 1997 Rockstar YT, so it shows you can stream on your YouTube. You can stream only on a single platform, that is on Omelette Arcade or on YouTube or on FB or on Twitch. Where you want to stream, you can log in that. I want to stream on YouTube, see the symbol, so I will on YouTube account. If you want to stream on multiple platforms, you need to buy Omelette Plus membership. Got it? Next, click next. After that, select PUBG Mobile Livic. This is that watch me play PUBG Mobile. You can write there the title which you want to write and what viewers can see that. And the next, this thing is that the description where you can write the things about yourself or your KD, kill by death ratio, or what are your PC resolutions or what are your phone resolutions. Yeah, everything you can write it. The stream settings is quality. Set 720p every time so that you will get maximum 720p in your streaming. Before you stream every time, go and check the speed test. If you get the green button before 720p only, select 720p. If not, don't select 720p. Run the test every time when you want to stream. The quality is the only thing important. The other things also you can overlay. You can use overlays, watermarks, everything, but I don't use that. Those are the unnecessary things. Select the quality, write the title, description, what you want to convey to your viewers, and select done. Okay, that's it. When you click done, when you click start button, the stream starts in your YouTube account where you linked your YouTube account to the Omelette Arcade. That's it, friends. This is a simple thing you need to do when you want to stream from Omelette Arcade. There are different platforms like Streamlabs, DU Recorder. The app which prefers you can use it. I use Omelette Arcade for now. If you like this video, do like and comment and share it to your friends. Don't worry, I'm there for you guys. I'll make videos what you want. Do share it to your friends. Don't forget about that. Signing off, 1997 Rockstar YT. See you guys in the next video.